Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that email token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Ethermail is building the bridge between Web 2 and Web 3 via email, bringing full inbox ownership, control and sovereignty back to users. Ethermail redefines digital messaging by seamlessly integrating blockchain technology into email protocols, empowering businesses and individuals to communicate more effectively, incentivizing users' engagement via consensual marketing powered by artificial intelligence, and ensuring data privacy. Mail token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 60 million EMT token. EMT token is listed on Gate.io, CoinDCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.